Welcome to the review of the Raptor K50 mechanical keyboard from Corsair. This mechanical keyboard offers 100% anti-ghosting, translating for seamless gaming. Using Corsair's controller, you can change the color of the backlight to any of the 16.8 million options, along with the brightness controller in the upper right-hand corner with 4 options: off, dim, kind of dim, and the final, which I would call normal. With 18 macro keys along with 3 macro profile keys, ultimately giving you 54 different macros. The keyboard offers dedicated media player buttons, which I don't find myself using, but it's still a nice addition. Other extra buttons include volume control, which I find myself using all the time, a win-lock key, so you don't accidentally hit the Windows key while you're using it. This keyboard also includes a built-in USB port, which I tend to use for my headset dongles so it doesn't snap off from the back. The braided cable has plenty of length. Also included is a detachable hand rest. Now on the bottom side of the keyboard, it has 2 plastic feet that give the keyboard just a little bit of lift. Overall, I find that the Raptor K50 is a great deal, on the lower end of the spectrum for mechanical keyboards, coming in at $99.99.